Do you think you need hundreds of thousands of dollars to own a franchise? Think again. 5 best franchises you can start for under $100,000, but are more than $50,000. The rankings are based on profitability, growth rates, and failure rates. These franchises cover home services, taxes, pet waste removal, and even insurance. So very diverse range of franchises. If you're looking for an affordable business with solid earning potential, this is the list for you. First on our list is Send Me a Pro, a fast-growing home service franchise that connects customers with professionals for everything from personal training to tutoring to pet care. It was established in 2016, has over 50 locations across the US. This is a tech-driven franchise with a unique mobile app that makes booking services quick and easy for customers. The total investment ranges between $50,000 to $90,000, and since it's a home-based business, overhead costs are minimal. Franchisees make money by earning a percentage of every service booked through the platform. And if you're looking for a tech-powered, service-based business with strong recurring revenue, Send Me a Pro is a great option for you. Next on the list is MyTaxFiler, established in 2008 with over 20 locations, specializing in tax preparation, bookkeeping, and financial consulting. This franchise serves both individuals and small businesses, two groups that will always need financial guidance. If you're looking for a business with built-in demand and recurring revenue, MyTaxFiler could be the perfect fit. With an investment of $40,000 to $80,000, franchisees get access to state-of-the-art tax software, comprehensive training, and a proven client acquisition model. And since tax season rolls around every year, MyTaxFiler offers repeat business opportunities and stable income. Plus, with more people and businesses looking for trusted financial advisors, MyTaxFiler franchisees can expand their services beyond tax season and into year-round financial planning services, making this an excellent low-cost investment with long-term growth potential. So the next franchise is Keystone Insurers, established in 1983 with over 300 locations across the US. Keystone Insurance Group, a business-to-business, B2B franchise that specializes in providing independent insurance agencies with access to better policies, underwriting support, and operational tools. It's designed for professionals who want to grow an existing insurance agency or start a new one with Keystone's backing. With an investment range of $30,000 to $100,000, franchisees benefit from Keystone's extensive network, which provides a higher commissions and better policy options than independent agencies can typically secure. If you have a background in insurance or sales, this franchise could be a lucrative opportunity with recurring revenue and high margins. Next on the list is Scoop Soldiers, established in 2010 with over 80 locations across the US. So yes, I know what you're thinking. You heard that right. There is money in cleaning up pet waste. And it's not the sexiest industry, but there's opportunity there. Scoop Soldiers is proving it. This fast-growing pet waste removal franchise is cashing in on the booming pet care industry by offering a convenient, subscription-based service to homeowners, apartment complexes, and parks. With an investment of $70,000 to $120,000, businesses can get access to a proven business model with repeat customers, low overhead, and high demand. Plus, with more pet owners looking for hassle-free cleanup solutions, Scoop Soldiers is in the right place at the right time. You want a simple, profitable, service-based business? This could be a great fit for you. Last on the list is Premier Pools and Spas. Established in 1988, over 100 locations across the US, Premier Pools and Spas is one of the fastest growing home improvement franchises in the US. With people spending more time at home and investing in their properties, the demand for high-end pools has surged. For an investment of $60,000 to $120,000, franchisees don't need a construction background. Just strong business and sales skills, that's all you really need. The brand provides full training, vendor relationships, and marketing support to help you succeed in scaling in this high-ticket industry. If you're looking for a home services franchise with big earning potential, this one's definitely worth considering. There you have it. 5 franchises under $100,000 that offer strong earning potential without requiring a massive investment. Whether it's real estate, pet services, insurance, or home improvement, there's a franchise opportunity for every entrepreneur at this price range. If you're serious about finding the right franchise, check out Vetted Biz for more in-depth research and comparisons and expert insights. We hope to see you again soon, and take care.